Hey guys, it's Nick. I'm here on Zakynthos Island in the city center of Zante, and this is Solomos Square. It looks pretty dead right now at around 4:30 in the afternoon, but at night this place is completely packed with people. So I'm going to walk through the city center, the main street over here, just to get a look at what Zante looks like. And so this is the port over here where the ferries come in, and it's also the bus stop right here to go to the beaches. And there are multiple buses going to the different beaches out here, so even if you don't rent a car or a scooter, you can still get around. I'm just coming from Silivi Beach today, and I took the bus over there. It seems like a lot of places kind of close during the afternoon hours. But then open up later on at night and stay open pretty late. So all along here you got your restaurants, little stores, and then of course the tourist stuff, a lot of car rentals, bike rentals, scooter rentals, boat trips, trips to the shipwreck island and all of that stuff, and the Levante ferries tickets, because that's the only ferry that comes here. You got Goodies, which is like the Greek McDonald's. This place looks pretty nice. Never been in it though. Oh, speaking of Levante ferries, there's one coming in right now. And just so you know, this town is not very deep. It only goes back a few blocks, and then you got the mountain or the hill up there. So when I was looking at my Airbnb, which was a couple blocks back, I thought it was like a real far walk. But when you actually get here, you see that you can walk this whole length of the main section of the town, the port, in 10 minutes or something like that. So I rented a car from this place. Yasu Dimitra. Well, that's the lady I rented a car from. And a lot of these restaurants over here are fully covered, so you can hang out here even when it's hot out and you have the shade. This is a pretty nice looking place here. Souvlaki Grill House. So there's the ferry, it's parking right now, and the KTEL bus meets you there if you took the bus from Patra to Kilini port. That's the way that I got there from Patra. Took the bus to Kilini port, drops you off here, and then there's another bus waiting for you to bring you to the bus station, which is a couple blocks back.
Chodź do cienia.
Here's the supermarket, my market, supermarket. Not a bad place. I shopped there, and the one in Athens also. So I guess it's a pretty big chain. So there's the mountains right there. As you see, it doesn't go back that far before you run into the mountains. Here is the police station. Girl is selling them a package. All this fresh fish. So I guess you get the idea of the main street here in front of the port. I'm going to walk back a few blocks and show you the other walking street kind of place that is really energized at night. But right now it's probably pretty dead. There's a phrase Greeks use when there's no business or nothing going on. They call it swatting flies. I forgot how to say it, but basically when somebody asks you if you're busy at your business or whatever and you got no customers, you say, no, I'm sitting here swatting flies all day. Χτυπάγαμε μίγας. So you'll see it looks pretty dead. I mean, a shoe store closed at 4:30 in the afternoon. Gonna have to do a nighttime video to contrast this, to show all these places how busy they are at night. Okay, this is the walking street, no cars allowed, and the street is like, you know, paved specially, but it's pretty dead right now. Except for this store that's open, selling dresses. And this is this is not like Sunday afternoon or something that you would expect the stores to be closed. This is a Tuesday afternoon around 4:30, quarter to 5. And so just a few more blocks down is where there's a whole lot of restaurants and cafes and sweet shops and all of that, that it's really busy at night. And you see the main street is right there. And my Airbnb is just up this street. Which, if you have a car around here, it's a real pain in the butt to get around because of that walking street. There's all these dead-end streets that you cannot cross through, and you have to go around and stuff, so I wouldn't recommend it. Get a scooter instead. I believe there's just one more street behind this, and if you go to the left, that's the main bus station there where the buses start and end. So guys, that's a little walk around Zante town in Zakynthos. Hope you like this one. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.